Ah, Gilbert's driving. Gilbert driving our skid steer. Okay, Gilbert, let's you and me go check out this new toy we got. What is it? What is it? Where did it go? The skid steer. We got Gil. We're in the skid steer. Let's shut the door, Gil. So Dad will shut it. Okay, we gotta hit the start button.
Yeah. What is
Okay, we're started. Okay, don't touch those yet, Gil. We're coming down. Okay. Put our hands over here. So this one right here goes forward and backwards.
Yeah.
This one right here lifts the boom up and down and dumps it. Okay, don't do it yet. Okay, now I'm gonna turn the parking brake off. Okay, we're rolling now. We're cooking with not yet, Gil. You gotta go slow. Okay, so we're gonna watch that shovel there. Okay, Gil, put your hand on there. This one drives us. So you gotta go slow. Okay, you ready? So push this one forward. Okay, go slow, Gil. Go like this. Okay, ready? Go, go. Forward this one. There you go. Ah, Gilbert's driving. There you go. Little Gilbert driving our skid steer. Okay, let's go over this way a bit. All right, we're gonna speed up the video a bit here. I got Gilbert on my knee, and Gilbert and Dad were moving the wood chip here, right? We were moving it back to a pile in the back by the Blueberries. Is that right, Gilbert? Were you driving the skid steer?
Yeah. And put blueberries there.
And we were putting it by the Blueberries, right? So we did quite a few loads.
And put blueberries and with there.
Right there. We did quite a few loads back and forth, and you were getting pretty good at driving. Did you use the joystick, Gilbert?
Yeah.
Yeah. Was it hard?
No.
No. Were you able to make the boom go up and down?
Yeah.
Yeah. It was pretty fun, hey? We're bringing the skid steer around here, and as we move the wood chip, you can see it steaming a bit. Do you see that steam coming out of the pile there, Gilbert? Look at all that steam. That was a lot of steam. We tried to shake it off there a bit so we wouldn't dump any wood chip on the lawn as we were driving across. Is that so?
Yeah.
Yeah. I liked having the skid steer. We did a couple jobs with it, didn't we?
And we should come out and help. And then that, and then we should help. We should Dad.
That's right. Rosie did come out and help us move some of the wood chip, and she videotaped us too, right? Yeah.
I'm doing the wood chip too.
You were doing the wood chip. There were some pretty big loads.
When I come up, we should come up and go now in that, and I come up, the video and we should see. And Dad and we should.
Yeah. And we drilled, after this, on our next video, we're going to show, we drilled a bunch of holes, didn't we? With the skid steer. That's really why we rented it.
Like that.
Yeah. We drilled so many holes, and they were so deep. And what
and
we were drilling the holes because
and then show more holes.
We were drilling the holes because we wanted to build a fence.
Yeah. How you can't go out.
So Hattie couldn't go out. That's right. So we had Gil driving there. Gil's a professional skid steer driver now.
There. All the way. That faster going.